Welcome to Durian Gadang, a tourism village full of history, comprises of historical, nature, culinary, tradition, and cultural tourism. Batu Basure, or otherwise known as Batu Gadang, is brought from Malaysia and is considered sacred. The tradition and culture that have survived and nature are Sile, Randai, Durian Gadang has this natural tourist site, Palukahan stream boating, Ngalau Sipunggua, Ngalau Sungai Landai, complete with its culinary extravagance, which is asam durian.